Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to burp a baby. An important part of feeding a baby is burping. Burping helps to get rid of the air that the babies tend to swallow during their feeding. The bottle-fed babies swallow more air than the breastfed babies. If you don't burp your baby, they may spit out the milk or it may make them gassy and cranky. Let's see how to burp a baby. There are different methods to burp, but I generally use over-the-shoulder technique. I tried this method of burping by keeping my baby in my lap for burping once, but unfortunately my baby vomited all the milk. So I never again tried this method of burping, but instead I always follow over-the-shoulder techniques for burping. Sit upright or stand straight and hold your baby against your chest. The baby's chin should rest over the shoulder. Support your baby with one hand and gently pat your baby's back 2 to 3 times and then pat downwards. Or rub the baby's back in a circular motion. Do it for 5 minutes and that's all about burping. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe our channel for more newborn tips. Thanks for watching.